Everybody hold on to your butts because we've got a new image from JWST, and this one is going to blow your mind. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, what we're looking at here is a region of the sky that's less than a fifth of the size of the full moon, and it is chock full of galaxies. With the exception of these things with the diffraction spikes, which are stars in the Milky Way, every other bit of light you see here is an entire separate galaxy. And this isn't actually only JWST, they also have Hubble data in here. How an image like this gets generated is by looking at the same region of the sky using a lot of different filters. Filters only let in specific wavelengths of light, and then you assign the data from each filter a color, like here, stack them all on top of each other, and then you get something beautiful like this. Now this means these aren't the colors we would see with our eyes. There's a lot of infrared light here. Our eyes can't see in the infrared, but that doesn't mean the colors aren't useful. If we zoom in on a region like this, you'll see that the galaxies really differ both in terms of shape and structure, but also in terms of color. A lot of these galaxies that are more white or blue, they have a lot of young, bright stars. The galaxies that are more red either have older stellar populations or they're further away, because as light travels through the universe, it gets stretched into longer wavelengths, so more distant things look redder. This patch of the sky was also observed in X-ray wavelengths, so much higher energy light, which is shown here in purple. Most of this light is associated with the galaxy group that you can see right here, all these galaxies with similar colors. In between these galaxies is hot gas, and that hot gas emits in the X-ray, and you can really see how much of it there is. Studying galaxy groups like this one helps us understand how the big structures in the universe form. That's just the tip of the iceberg in terms of the data that you have in an image like this. Images like this are what first made me fall in love with astronomy. The universe is so huge and we know so little about it. Think about all the complexity that exists on our one tiny little planet, and then think about everything that you're seeing here. Pretty remarkable.